Hello everyone, how are you all today? In today's video we are going to discuss how you can fix your XAMPP MySQL error. As you can see on my screen, I'm having this issue right now, which you can see properly on my screen. This issue is related to MySQL. You people might have also faced such issue sometime, and this kind of issue irritates us a lot when we are doing some work, and it becomes a bit tricky to solve it sometimes. So now don't worry, with the help of this video you will be able to solve this problem very easily. But before proceeding further, let's scroll the intro. So as you can see on my screen, I'm refreshing my browser and this issue is still same. You can see MySQL real connect error we are facing right now. Now open your XAMPP control panel and try to start your MySQL from here. We are facing a port issue and the missing dependencies issue here. So just close your control panel. Now open your file manager, go to your XAMPP root folder and you can see MySQL folder here. Now you can see all the files here, backup, data. So you have to just take the backup of your data folder for security. So you can see we have backup our data folder. Now let's go to backup folder and just to copy the folders which I'm selecting right now. You have to remember, don't copy the data file, otherwise your data will replace with this new data. Okay, now go to your data folder and just paste your files in this folder. Now let's open your control panel again and start the MySQL. You can see the MySQL started properly and there is no issue we are facing. And retry to connect the myPHP admin, and you can see our PHP my admin is working properly here. You can see all my tables, all my rows, all my size, and all my tables are showing properly here. So in this way you also can fix your MySQL error with the help of this video. So if you like today's video, so please give a like to this video, and if you are here for the first time, then please subscribe to this channel. And that's all for now. See you in our next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, see you soon.